corgi mix. And this is Cody, who's 5 years old. And Cody's going to help us show some fun games to teach kids and dogs how to get along well. So Cody, we're going to start with some targeting here. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you first, is you're just going to take this spoon, Maddie, and you're going to put it right down. And when Maddie touches it, you're going to click, and then your mom's going to give her a treat. Okay? Do you want to watch that again? So you just put the spoon down. She's going to touch it. You're going to click, and if you want to, I can do the clicking for you. You want to give it a try?
I don't want to do the clicking.
Okay, I'll do the clicking. So I'm going to click when her nose touches it, and then your mom's going to give her a treat, okay? Yay! Good job! Can you move it a little bit, Cody? Move it. There you go. Keep it down nice and low so she can reach it. Good. Cody, do you want to try it? We're going to show a little game here, which is called Hansel and Gretel. Well, that's what I call it anyways. So it's a pretty fun one. What Cody's doing right now is he's making a little trail of dog treats, and Maddie is going to get to follow the trail. For kids to do with dogs is to play hide and go seek either with themselves or with a toy or a treat. Maddie really likes treats, so we're going to kind of start teaching her a find it here. So what we're going to do, Cody, is we're going to put this cloth down on the ground. I'm going to get you to take a kibble. I'm going to get you to hide it just under the corner there, and then we're going to let Maddie try and find it, okay? So go ahead and hide the treat. Good job. Okay, now, Maddie's going to find it. Now let's try another one. Put it just really easy right under the corner. Here. There you go. Okay, Maddie. Maddie, find it. Sit here. Okay. Find it. Where's it? She's so distracted. Find it. There you go. Good girl. Did you get it? Want to do one more? She's really distracted. Here, put a bunch in there. Just put them in one spot so she can smell them good. Okay, get it, find it.